Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers, and good day, my viewers. I'm Teacher Patrick by name. So today I'll be taking you mathematics, and this is a past question, JAMB 2019. And today's topic is surface area of sphere. Sit down, relax, and watch. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeters square. Open bracket, pi is equal to 22/7. So these are the options: 7 cm, 3.5 cm, 3 cm, 1.75 cm. Solution. Okay, so they say should find the radius. First of all, let's know the area of a sphere, because this is a sphere. Okay, so there's a radius. And from the question, the radius is given as question mark. That's what we're looking for. What again? The area is what? 154. So area 154 centimeter square. Our pi, which is a constant, is given as 22/7. So area of a sphere is given as 4 pi r square. Take note, we're looking for the area of a sphere. So what is our area? 154 4 times, what is our pi? 22/7 times r square. Okay, if you have your calculator there, 154 is equal to 4 times 22, you have 88 r square over 7. So when you get to this point, what you do, you cross multiply. So we have 88 r square is equal to, so use your calculator, 154 times 7, you're going to have 1078. Okay, so right now you divide both sides by 88. R square is equal to 1078 divided by 88, and what do you have? You have 12.25. okay, so 12.25 r square is equal to 12.25. Now when you get to this point and you are seeing something like this, there's a square here and there's a number here. Okay, what do? You take square root of both sides. Once you take square root of both sides, this is what you're going to have. Square root of r square is equal to square root of 12.25. okay, this will cancel this. What is left is r. Go to your calculator, you take the square root of 12.25 and you're going to have 3.5 cm. And if you look at the option, you see that the option there is what? B. So our final answer is option B. And this is how you solve question involving surface area of a sphere. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for listening. So if you know you're interested in my online class, please give me a DM. I still remain Teacher Patrick. Please like, share, and comment. Bye bye.